This video will show you how you can add music to a video for free online without ever downloading any software. This is hands down the easiest way to do it. You can do it all online after watching this very quick video. So if it helps you out, let me know in the comment section below. So what you first need is your video and your music. Very simple stuff. And what we're going to do is we're going to open up a web browser and we're going to actually use Canva to do this. So if you haven't used Canva before, it's a free photo and video editing software, and you can go to canva.com and you can go ahead and create your free account. All it's going to ask is for your email, and then you'll be in this window here. From here, click on create. Then scroll down, go to videos, and then depending on your video dimensions, you want to choose whichever one works for you. You can also choose a custom size here, but I'm going to just choose the standard 1920 by 1080 landscape. That will then open up Canva's video editor. Once we're here, we now need to upload our video to Canva. So you go to the upload section here on Canva, and you've got here images, videos, audio, right? So what we can do is we can open up our video. You can either click upload files, or if you've got them open in a file explorer already, you can highlight both of them, drag them on, and you can upload them both at the same time. So here you've got the audio. That's obviously the audio track that I'm uploading. And then here you've got the video, and you can see the status of this. So just wait for these to upload, and we can now connect them together. So my internet connection is not great, so it's not uploading this video for some reason. So we're going to just use another video I've already got uploaded to Canva. So you want to drag on your video. You can see it is 15 seconds. And when you drag it on, it is going to stretch the length here to the length of your clip. And now once you've got your clip in, you want to go audio. You can then drag on your audio track here. Now, if this is a music track and it's quite long, you can go ahead and stretch this out to the duration of the clip. And what you can do is you can move it along, so you can choose kind of like what part of the song you want to choose. So once you're happy with that, you've played it, you make sure it's all good, go to share in the top right hand corner, click on download, and then from file type, click on the drop down, go to MP4 video, make sure the quality is as high as it can go, and then click download. It's then going to go into your downloads folder, and then when you open it, you'll obviously see the video and music combined. So I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.